Hello! This short video will show you how you can embed your Symbaloo Webmix into your blog or website. To access the embed code, click the Share button at the top of the Webmix. Here, you will be able to select on the Embed option. This will allow you to copy the code necessary to embed your Webmix into your website or blog. But first, let me show you how to choose a background color for your Webmix display. For example, I am going to choose pink. When you're ready, copy the embed code and go to the HTML section of your website or blog to paste the code. If you would like your embedded Webmix to be larger or smaller, you can adjust the width and height numbers in the code. When you're ready, hit preview and you will be able to see how your embedded Webmix will look on your website or blog. Learn how to link a tile to a Webmix in the next video.